After completing this lesson, you'll be able to use the timeline, browser and parametric tools to edit features and refine the buckle design. To begin, we need to open the data panel. In our project, we need to locate and double-click to open the file Humule socket. When we have the file open, we can hide the data panel. Let's click to expand the sketches and then right-click on Sketch 4 and select Edit Sketch. Now if we click Zoom Window and select the area, we can zoom into the sketch to get a better view. And what I want to do here is increase the width of the sketch from 4mm to 6mm. So I double-click, enter 6mm and press Return on the keyboard. Now I can click to stop the sketch. This updates the design, but I also want to update another part of the buckle design. So I need to go to a different sketch. So let's click Fit to Window so that we get a better view of the socket design. And then click Home View and rotate around a little. And here's the area that I want to zoom into to make a new edit. So in the browser, I right-click Sketch 5, then click Edit Sketch. Then I click Zoom Window and select the area that I want to zoom into to get a better view. I want to increase this part of the buckle, adding more material, thereby making it stronger. To do that, I double-click the area, then change the measurement from 2mm to 4mm, then press Return. Now I need to reduce the slots on both sides by 1mm each. So again, double-click, edit the dimension, enter 6mm, and do the same on the other slot. We've now added a bit more material on the buckle, which will make it much stronger. We can click to stop sketching, which will update the design with our new dimensions. However, following these changes, we now need to make some changes to the radiuses that we previously applied. Before I do this, I'm just going to use the browser to toggle off the visibility of some of the socket bodies. This will allow me to see the buckle design much clearer, as I will need to select a number of edges and apply the fillet to give them the radius that we desire. To apply the fillets, I'm going to edit the timeline. I'm going to right-click on Fillet 2 and click Edit Feature. I'm going to delete all the previously selected edges. And then I'm going to manually select all of the edges to which I want to apply the new radius. So I select all of the edges that I can see here, and then use the Orbit tools in Fusion to rotate the buckle around and select all the remaining edges that I need. And when I've selected all 17 edges, I'll enter a new fillet value of 1mm and click OK to confirm. Now if we use the navigation and orbit tools in Fusion, we can see that we've not only updated this buckle design, but in fact we've updated all of the other 11 buckles also. Now we can note that the strap is now cutting through the new buckle design because we've increased the width of the buckle material. But we can easily rectify this. What we need to do is go to the browser, then identify the sketch which represents the path for the Velcro strap. When we've identified the correct sketch, all we need to do is pull out some of the points on the path and make the loop slightly wider. And as I do this, you can see that the strap is now wrapping around the buckle very nicely. Now you should use Fusion's navigation tools to identify if any of the other straps are cutting through the buckles and make the same changes to each one of those straps. And when you've done that, you can go back to the bodies and turn on socket layer, inner socket layer and outer socket layer. Then if you click the home button, you can review the completed design.